Hello, my name is Jacob Todson, and welcome back to the Wisdom of Odin. So for those of you who have joined this channel in the last year during my European travels, you may not know that a few years ago I started a group that has pagan gatherings across America and around the world. And within the last couple of years, we have our nonprofit status and are made up of a board of directors and have bylaws and meetings and all those things. But ultimately, the heart and soul of this community is pagan gatherings, primarily in the United States. And for the longest time, I was recording videos about those gatherings to share those experiences. Those videos are still down below in my channel playlist, just under Pagan Gatherings. So if you ever want to go back and watch those, they're all there. They're a lot of fun as we explore paganism together and create some truly wonderful rituals. Despite not recording a gathering video in 2023 and only sharing a little bit online in social media, the Fellowship Northern Traditions is continuing to grow at an insane rate. And just this weekend, at the time of me filming, we have accomplished yet another milestone. We had our largest event ever with over 100 people in attendance here in Ohio. And so this video isn't going to be very long. I mostly just want to share a little bit of the rituals we're performing, what 100 people looks and feels like, and to share the fellowship to all of you who may not know about it, because I have not had a full video about it in some time. So the Fellowship of Northern Traditions is a nonprofit. We have a website, the link's down below, and one of our greatest goals is to buy land of our own. And so for that, we have a GoFundMe page, but we also have a book that we wrote last year. And so if you want to see this dream come to realization, please think about supporting the Fellowship of Northern Traditions. Other than that, if you want to attend one of our events, our website down below has a list of all of our events. It stays up to date, and we have a newsletter as well that you can sign up for to stay up to date. We have events all across North America and in England and the Netherlands. And that's really all I want to say. Really, I want the gathering to speak for itself. I want to get right to the footage. So I'm going to keep this kind of short, but I want to give you just a taste of the magic, of the power of these rituals. So I hope you enjoy this video and a small look into the world of the Fellowship of Northern Traditions.
Gabst mir Hoffnung, nahmst den Schmerz, gabst mir Träume und dein Herz. Doch erst die Schatten dieser Nacht haben uns hierher gebracht.
So schwarz wie die See und wild rasend im Wind, wird Schmerz vergehen, wirst eins mit Ranskind. Leva, duva, blot ugada, hefrin, koidaren, byja bora himmi. Leva, duva, blot ugada. logisaide Aldernari elder bobrumi huriti logisaide Aldernari elder bobrumi huriti logisaide Aldernari elder